Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. It's Friday and that can only mean one thing. It's an unboxing time. Yes, every Friday we are doing unboxings and this is a really beautiful, brilliant one. As you can see from the top of this painting, it is a lovely white tiger surrounded by foliage. There we've got 25 colours in it and it's a 30x40. And as you can see, it looks absolutely beautiful, so I can't wait to get into them. With diamond painting, they always come in a range of different packaging, so you could get it folded, you could get it rolled up, it just depends. So let's get into this part here and we'll see what we've got in store for this. This looks absolutely gorgeous. So as you can see, we've got our standard boat. Oh wow, they've chucked this in. Look at that, 2 pens this time. And I do find these packs quite funny because you never really know if you're going to get a pen, a squashy. But yeah, look at that, absolutely beautiful. So your standard boat with 2 pens and a squashy there, which looks absolutely fabulous. We've got our jewels there, which we'll take a moment and look to in a moment. And this is the painting itself. Look how gorgeous that is. That is absolutely fantastic. We've got so many wonderful colours in this. This is a full drill, and as you can see, it's going to be a lot of, I suspect, colour blocking here. Got some trees going up at the top there. I like the way this is done. The contour of that looks like a palm tree, and then you've got sort of like the tiger peeping through the forest with the flowers and that. You've got like another, I think that's probably a tree, and then the tiger's coming over, and then you've got the tree there, so probably a palm tree. Really good. You've got some lovely hint of blue coming round here as well, and then a bit of foliage down below the bottom of that as well. You've got the chart on the other side as well. 25 colours. This looks absolutely so beautiful. I can't wait to get onto that. Let's take a look at the colours now. So I'm going to move that down a bit. These are the colours that we've got, and let's have a look. So this is a round drill. So yeah, really lovely. It's nice that it came in this bag rather than like all loose and that. So we'll take a look at them in a minute. But as you can see, we do have some blacks, greys, greens, light green. That's a nice colour. I've not worked with that colour before. That's quite nice. Oh, look, evergreen. That's a dark, shady sort of Eddie Stobart sort of colour there with the build I'm doing. Bit of a light blue there and some more green for the foliage as well. We'll take that over to one side. We'll just take a look at the other colours as well here, which look absolutely beautiful. So we'll go for them here. As you can see, some really lovely light colours. Beautiful colours here. Oh, look at that. That's a lovely colour. I don't know what colour that is, but that's beautiful. As you can see, really lovely colours indeed. I think that's a brown. Yeah, that's a brown. And this lovely, gorgeous. It's not a teal, but it's like it's an unusual colour. I've never come across that colour before, but that's really gorgeous. But I really liked it. I didn't plan on getting this. But with Amazon, when you put something in the basket, it will come up saying, here's one you might like. And this one just done it for me. It's absolutely fantastic. I really am so excited to be doing this and starting this soon. So please remember to like, share, subscribe if you want to get this painting for yourself. I'll put the link in the description of the video and you can get this for yourself and ordered. It is such a lovely painting. Lots of colours. I absolutely adore tigers and lions. They're one of my favourite animals, and especially because it's white tiger. I think I paid £5 for this, but yeah, absolutely fantastic. But please remember to like, share, subscribe. I'll see you next Friday for another unboxing. Until then, this has been Diamond Paintings with Mike. Take care. Bye bye.